the forest. What do you see on this cover? A firefighter, a fire engine, and a tree that is on fire. What is gonna happen? Here is our firehouse, and it is in a forest where there are a lot of trees. The firemen are inside the firehouse in the forest. It is a quiet day. Some firemen are sleeping. Then the fire alarm rings. "Wake up! I see smoke," says Ted. But Ben does not want to get out of bed. "We need to fight that fire," says Ted. The firemen wake up and slide down the pole. Oh no! Ben trips over and almost falls down. "Look out!" The firemen get dressed. These clothes keep them safe. The firefighters get into the fire truck. They zoom through the forest. The fire truck is too fast. Ben almost falls out from the fire truck. "Hold on, Ben!" "Where is the fire?" asked Ted. "Right here," said a camper. "This is not a forest fire," said Ben. "It is a campfire." Phew, what a relief! There is no forest fire. And Ben is thinking about the sausage. Then the fireman gets a call. A real forest fire is nearby. "Oh no! There is a fire here." "Got to go," said Ben. The firemen try to put out the fire. Here, the firemen are squirting water to put off the fire. But the fire does not stop. There is a lot of smoke, and the smoke is blocking out the sunlight. The firefighters cannot see. "Who turned out the lights?" asked Ben. The forest fire is getting more serious. The firemen call for help. "Yay! The fire plane will help put out the fire." "Look! Here comes the fire plane." How many firefighters do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 firefighters. The plane drops water on the fire. The firemen get wet too, except Ben, who has an umbrella. Oh no! One tree is still on fire. Ben gets the fire hose. The water comes out fast. Wow! The water thrust is so strong that Ben is lifted off the ground. All the firemen work together. They put out the fire. Way to go! Hooray! The fire is put off. The firemen are leaving now. "We have one more stop to make," said Ben. Then they will return to the firehouse. Where are they going? Let's see. Oh, they go back to the campsite and enjoy the barbecue party. And what is Ben doing? Ben is cooking a sausage. "Hard work makes me hungry," said Ben. And that's the end.